Verbs normally not used in ing form. Following verbs are generally not used in continuous form. Verbs of perception, showing the experience of sense organs. I see a picture. I am seeing a picture. I hear a song. I am hearing a song. If the words see and hear are used in ing forms, they have quite different meanings. I am seeing my friend today. The judge is hearing the case. Verbs showing feelings or state of mind, for example. Want, wish, desire, fear, like, dislike, believe, care, hate, love, hope, imagine, refuse, forgive, etc. She believes in God. She is believing in God. I hate you. I am hating you. Verb showing mental process such as think. Know, mind, remember, forget, understand, etc. I know you. I am knowing you. Verbs showing possession, for example. Own, belong to, have, contain, possess, etc. He possesses a wide area of land. I have a dozen of horses. This horse belongs to me.